Hey all, it's Anita Renee with another video. Just wanted to jump on and show you the process of microlinks. So what is microlinks? Microlinks is the form of hair extensions being added to the hair using a silicone bead. Whether it's I-tips, wefts, there's so many ways to install microlinks. In this video, we'll be doing the weft install. I believe everything starts with healthy hair, so we did a full hair treatment, steam, and hair trim. And now you're gonna see me go into the microlink install. So I already attached the beads to the hair, and this one I'm doing the weft method, which is also considered the braidless microlink install. The hair that I'm using is 100% virgin. It is my hair, kinky straight. I also offer it in other textures. It could be flat iron, as you can see here, silky straight, just like a silk press. And again, the hair is offered in different textures. Microlinks is a wonderful way to add extensions to your hair because you can still access your hair and your scalp so you can take care of it to achieve your goals of growth and healthy hair. And the versatility it offers is amazing. You could be worn in a ponytail, half up, half down, and the styles are endless. If you have any questions about microlinks, go ahead and shoot me a message.